Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to share some incredible money-saving tips that will help you cut down on everyday expenses. Saving money doesn't have to be complicated or boring, and with these simple strategies, you'll see a significant impact on your finances. So grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of frugal living. 1. Create a budget. Budgeting is the foundation of financial success. It's like having a roadmap for your money. Start by listing your income and all your expenses, from rent and utilities to groceries and entertainment. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and where you can make adjustments. 2. Meal planning. Meal planning is not only good for your wallet but also for your health. Take some time each week to plan your meals and make a shopping list accordingly. This way, you'll avoid impulse purchases and food waste. You can also take advantage of weekly sales and discounts when planning your meals. 3. Use coupons and cashback apps. Coupons and cashback apps are the modern-day superheroes of saving money. Keep an eye out for coupons in newspapers, magazines, or online. Many websites and apps offer cash back on purchases from your favorite stores. It's like getting free money for buying things you love. 4. Cut the cord. Cable TV can be expensive, and with so many streaming services available, it's becoming easier to cut the cord. Consider switching to streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, or Disney+. You'll still get access to great content while saving a substantial amount of money each month. 5. Reduce energy consumption. Being mindful of your energy usage can lead to significant savings on your utility bills. Turn off lights and appliances when not in use, and consider using energy-efficient bulbs and appliances. Simple habits like these can make a big difference in the long run. 6. Shop smart. Always be on the lookout for sales, discounts, and deals. Before making a purchase, compare prices online to ensure you're getting the best deal possible. Consider buying generic brands when the quality is comparable to save even more. 7. Carpool or use public transportation. If possible, carpool with friends, family, or colleagues when going to work or events. Sharing rides can significantly reduce gas expenses and parking fees. Alternatively, consider using public transportation, which is often cheaper than driving. 8. DIY. Whenever you can, embrace your inner DIY guru. Try fixing things yourself before calling in a professional. There are numerous tutorials and resources online to help you with repairs and maintenance. From simple home repairs to small car fixes, you'll be surprised how much you can save by doing it yourself. 9. Cancel unused subscriptions. Review your monthly subscriptions and cancel the ones you don't use regularly. It's easy to accumulate various subscriptions over time, but you may be paying for services you hardly use. Unsubscribe from those you can live without and put that money back in your pocket. 10. Set savings goals. Saving money is more rewarding when you have a specific purpose for your savings. Set clear goals, such as creating an emergency fund, saving for a dream vacation, or building a down payment for a house. Having a purpose will motivate you to stay on track with your budget and cut unnecessary expenses. Remember, saving money is a journey, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself and celebrate each milestone along the way. Even small changes in your spending habits can add up to significant savings over time. Implementing these tips will not only boost your bank account but also empower you to take control of your financial future. Thank you for joining me on this money-saving adventure. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And hey, if you have more money-saving tips to share, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy saving.